we've got a K-tuned idle air assist valve delete. Hello! Welcome back to Modify Weekly, everybody. And today I've unwrapped it, so you've got to see it in my hand. We've got a K-tuned idle air assist valve delete. Looks fairly simple because it's just this little ugly T-piece here and this bit here. So yeah, let's get straight into it. First you're going to want to do is get all your little, these are rusty so they're well stiff. Get all the little clips off, holding all the little pipes in. Good one. Falls off anyway. Solid. There's that. That's the special hose that's the extended hose that you need to fit the RBC. So if you want to buy that, hit me up, brother. Let's get the one off the breather now, off the air intake. Doesn't, like, these are well prone to snapping, so it doesn't really matter if I snap it right now. Rather not though.
Well, in every single video we've said don't snap it.
Yeah.
And then you go and say, oh, I don't care about snapping it.
Well, yeah, because I'm deleting it. Not everyone's going to be deleting it.
Someone might want to buy it.
There we go. That's that one off. Just get that out of the intake now. Get that out. Right, that's that.
Well, that was easy.
See if we can get the spanner in there now.
Oh god, you have no room to work with.
I know.
Right down there. Look at that pig's ear.
Thinking a fuel rail off jobby, you know. It's only 2 bolts.
Yeah, go for it. I don't see how you're going to get down there without taking the fuel rail off. Well done then, mate.
Can you grab the sockets out of the boot, please?
Yeah. You alright?
Tough.
So yeah,
Get the earth off.
taking the fuel rail off to be able to get down onto that socket to take the valve out. So we both don't see how you're going to get down there. If anyone wants to leave a comment and tell us otherwise, then please do so.
It just looks like it'll be easier warping the fuel rail off, so...
Probably going to get a comment, you don't even have to do that. You don't have to take the fuel rail off.
I don't care, I'm no mechanic.
Don't put screws in your wing.
They painted over my hose. Bro, this is a long bolt. There we go.
Imagine doing that video, it'd be like, oh, we're just going to change your fuel rail today. Oh, 3 bolts and it's done.
Yeah, pretty much, yeah.
It'd be like a 30-second video.
Yeah, but I do want to get a new fuel rail because the standard one is ugly.
Yeah, look at that.
Bloody
Look at
hideous.
that. They made this engine bay look so nice. And then you got that.
Still better than the Subarus.
Anything's better than Subarus. It looks like they just threw it in.
Yep. Last time we done this, I had an injector pop off, so let's not do that again. There we go.
Solid. Get to that well easy now. There you go, you can get a turn on it.
Yeah.
You're looking at probably... How'd you get that out without hitting that?
Trial and error, boy.
Oh, it spins without it moving.
Fuel rail is still in my bloody way.
Can't disconnect it because we did that on the RBC and fuel pissed everywhere.
Yep.
We don't have anything to crimp the...
Oh!
There you go, snapped it.
Ah. All right.
Well, the link's definitely happening now.
Yep.
Not going back.
Oh god.
Oh god, it's fully snapped off.
Get that before it falls anywhere.
Day in the life of an amateur mechanic, and you've just gone and fully on snapped it off.
Yep.
Oh well, if anyone wanted that, they can't have it now.
Yep. You can buy my hose kit though.
Off the market. Yeah, we've got some lovely EP3 hoses here. DM us on Insta if you want those.
We're most active on Insta, so if you want to have a chat with us or ask us a question or just say you like what we do, Insta. We don't use Facebook or Twitter or none of that, so we'll leave a link to our Twitter in the description, Instagram in the description. I like seeing messages that are nice, so please be friendly.
You got that out yet?
Nice, well long.
Hey! Oh Jesus! Fucking where does that go to? Really?
What?
Did you sniff that?
Yeah, team.
That's the new valve that goes in where you just took the old one out. And the little screw winding thing that spins in as well.
Bigger. 19. Perfect.
Hey. So yeah, just whop that all the way down. Then do the Allen key bolt up that goes inside. Add your little bung over that, and then it's pretty much done.
Nothing's getting in the way of this now.
Really?
Oh, that's tight already. No, you got further to go in than that, boy. So now we've got the bolt thingy in there. I wanted it to go right to the bottom, but it's really tight there.
Yeah, I don't think it goes to the bottom.
So, but yeah, I don't have any Allen keys because I lost them, so I've got my little Barco screwdriver with a something bit in it. I don't know what size it is. Just
works.
Screw that in there.
Whatever works, doesn't it? Solid.
Yep, that's that.
I left a bit in there.
Oh. Can I have the bung?
Here you go.
Then you just pop your little black bung over that nipple. It's a rather tight bung.
WD on it?
No.
You got it?
Yep. A little bit more.
There you go.
There we go. That's your idler assist valve delete. Ah, one more. Okay, so to blank off the silicone hose on the air intake,
Get those
we've got a normal bolt because the K-tune doesn't actually come with a bung for that. Just slide that in there, and I've got a little Jubilee, which I'm going to yeet straight down.
Can't see what you're doing. There you go. Can now.
Not the prettiest, but
It works. I find when you say that a lot. If it works, it works.
if it works, it's not stupid.
Yeah.
It's pretty tight. Yep.
Lovely.
So
Yeah.
all we got to do now,
That blanked off, and that bunged. That's pretty much the
all we got to do is crack the fuel rail back on. So
3 steps to putting that on. Get your full fuel rail back on.
injectors in the hole, bolts over the.
The injector's a bit well easy to swap out.
Yeah, no. They are a little bit stiff, especially. There we go, there we go, there we go. Put your bolts back on. Bolts are 12mm, just in case you didn't know. Get your 12mm. Put it on Titan.
As if they didn't already know that.
No, send it to loosen, mate.
Yeah, for a while.
We're here all you guys. Don't you worry. Tighten. Shalom.
Straight into the curb.
Tighten. Over there. Clip, clip. clip, 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 clip. Then all you got left is your earth.
Jesus Christ. Promise you, we do know what we're doing sometimes.
Sometimes is a bit of a stretch. Most of our videos are winged, just so you know.
They actually are though, that's it.
I know.
There's no even denying it. So make sure you haven't ruined your car and actually done it properly. Give it a quick start.
Alright, so that is how you fit a K-tuned idle air assist valve. Not a bad job at all. We've been here for like half an hour or so. It's only because we had to remove the fuel rail and stuff, but yeah, not bad at all. So yeah, Saturday, 5 PM, new video. Be there or be square. Swag. And we're fitting a Mugen spoiler, so let's get straight into that.
Show it off, show it off. Look at that.
It's a bit dusty because it's been sitting in the workshop, but
beautiful.
you can rest it on there like that. Jesus, it's a completely fucking different